geography is simultaneously both regional and systematic. Okay, the introduction is here. The geography as a discipline has always been confronted with the methodological dualism between the study of aspects of one region and the study of one aspect in detail across region. What I'm saying is, geography has always had the problem of dualism or dichotomy, whatever here, between regional, that is chorological, that is idiographic, and systematic, that is topical, and that is general. However, a deeper scrutiny we find geography is about both regional and systematic study. Okay, so how was the introduction? I started directly with कि geography में ये dualism है. Okay, that regional versus systematic or chorological versus topical, should we focus on specifics versus general? But in reality, geography में दोनों है. And see how we have put the diagram here. Okay, so regions here, this is landform, so you can move like this, the regional study. I can move down, this becomes systematic study. Okay, the diagram has this. Then we directly jump to historical debate. कि क्या debate है? So give you a quick idea about कि debate शुरू कहाँ से होता है. So we'll say geography is both. So remember Varenius said geography is both. Remember all of you? The general geography, okay, is laws making. It helps us understand the specifics. And regional approach or the special geography, it helps us know the things in detail and collect data information. The geography is both जो idea है. It was given by Varenius. The debate on whether geography is regional or systematic can be traced to works of Varenius, for whom both regional and systematic approach were not exclusionary, but interdependent, and they were interpenetrative. So general geography provides laws for understanding and regional geography provides raw material. So ये मैंने accept कर दिया कि this is one way of looking at how the things are interdependent. Okay, now you may not know this. You can forget about Otto Schluter for that matter. Now we're talking about the dichotomy. Kant says it should be regional, chorological, whereas Otto Schluter wanted to develop as systematic. Hartshorne talks about regional, and quantitative evolution says systematic. So this is the debate part. Well, Varenius does not say they are two different, but there are debates which have started. Now we're talking about how the integration is happening. So quickly, what is systematic? बता दिया थोड़ा सा. What is regional? And we say the contemporary geography, जैसे कि we have behavioral approach, humanistic approach. So geography में this approach continues to be a bit more regional, focused on the particular, focused on idiographic. Whereas if you talk about a study of a natural world, study of physical world, you'll find that it is more about the systematic approach. Okay, so now geography में दोनों हैं. So you can talk about maybe physical geography, laws of population. We have got comparative analysis of economic aspects. That becomes general. Whereas some detailed studies we have, regions of India, agriculture of India. Okay, and you end the answer that today we do not have regional versus systematic debate anymore. Both the concepts are equally acceptable. The approach of geography is no longer about making laws. तो जहां laws बन सकते हैं वहां laws बनाओ, जहां नहीं laws बन सकते हैं वहां मत बनाओ. Okay, so postmodernism says that making laws is no longer the objective of geography. Making laws is no longer the sole aim of geography like it was in quantitative revolution. So if I look at how I have developed this answer, ab dekho, now this is the structure that I am talking about. Okay, so if you look at the structure of the answer, so geography is both regional and systematic mein. What is stated is the geography has regional and systematic. What is asked is both are relevant. Both are relevant, and then you move towards conclusion. Both are relevant, both approach coexist. So geography has both. Yes, we agree. There has been a dualism. There has been a dichotomy. Okay, there has been a fight between regional versus systematic. Whereas what is asked is ultimately both are relevant, both coexist. Both coexist में number one will say Varenius did not encourage dualism, but Kant did. Areal differentiation of Hartshorne did. Quantitative revolution did. Okay, so this, then we say contemporary geography में there are examples of both. The physical geography aspects, these are more systematically studied, whereas the human geography approaches are more done on a regional way. But then we say there are certain concepts. Human geography also has certain generalizations, such as theories of population, such as theories of migration, okay, such as locational theories. We do have theories of economic development. So these are general theories which are part of human geography. The geography में all of these are valid. Physical geography is more general, systematic. Human geography is more regional, but human geography also has systematic approaches. There is utility of both. And in the conclusion, we say, no longer do we struggle to box or identify geography with a regional or systematic approach alone. Now, no longer we're struggling to prove that geography is regional alone or systematic alone. So geography is now more integrative. खासकर postmodern geography, when we talk about culture, we talk about religion, there is rejection of general laws as an objective. Okay, so geography has seen it all now. No longer is the fight कि हमें सिर्फ law बनाना है, whereas certain concepts like systems approach, certain concepts okay, like using mathematical modeling continues to be more systematic. Is this okay? This is how we have written that answer. You start off with the fact that there is dualism, there is dichotomy. Start off with the fact कि झगड़ा था. Then you say कि actually Varenius ने, who first divided geography into two branches like that, he did not encourage any of the dichotomies. He did not encourage any of the dualisms. Okay, but slowly, gradually, there were people who encouraged it. But geography में we are showing all of things. So today's focus is that while postmodernism talks about a regional approach, lot of other contemporary studies like systems analysis, mathematical modeling, these are more systematic approach. And finish the answer. So as a postmodernism, in postmodernism, there is study of culture, there is study of religion, there is a rejection of making general laws. We don't make general laws in postmodernism, but there are some concepts. So postmodernism is relatively more regional, whereas there are a lot of other concepts where the approach is more general, more systematic. इस theme में आप add कर देना. Like systems analysis is more general, mathematical modeling is more general, physical geography continues to be more general in nature, systematic in nature. So geography में दोनों है. Geography includes both.